Hi, in this demo we'll be showing you how to use Ormuco's SpiderKube to not only deploy a highly available application to multiple edge locations, but also allow the end user to connect to the best possible location computed by SpiderKube's AI brain. So there's a bunch of components and steps. First step is to create a plan, add a new plan. In the plan, we're going to be creating some of the constraints that we're going to be using in SpiderKube's brain to compute what is the best possible location for the end user to connect to. So let's call the plan name blah 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 blah. Latency 5 milliseconds, bandwidth 5 megabits per second. Latency, let's say 100 milliseconds. AI settings balance, we can optimize for cost or performance, and we can even specify a budget of $6,000 or so forth. So we're going to be using one of our test plans here. We go to creating the new application. Let's create a little WordPress test application using, we have two options of containers or heat. Heat is direct virtual machines. Of course, these are pros and cons of using virtual machines versus containers, and in our demo here we're going to be using containers as Kubernetes. We will deploy WordPress deployment.yaml file, and to have a quick look of what this looks like, it is basically a WordPress deployment of Replica 2. It uses a simple WordPress image from Docker Hub, and the container port is port 80, and it translates to the floating IP at port 3100. Nothing fancy here, simple WordPress deployment with two replicas. So we already uploaded the WP deploy, and we created the app successfully launched. It's already being launched in our clusters, and we will just wait a couple more seconds to make sure that it's there. And there it is, WordPress test. So we can see that it's available, and it's in a staging environment. And we should be able to just click here and be able to access WordPress directly. And so we can. So you see how easy it is to deploy highly available application to multiple locations. And that will be it for this demo. Thank you very much.